order nje uyakhona ukufunza lana ukuthi ukubhala winda funza kahle onto
yini lokubhalela order then ufuna ukukhola mina into order
ukhola into order
so yini lena sosibhalela ngabantu
nale even ngalethi new tax ngayikhola into order ngithi sijekile
mina ngicabanga uzolofaka eformat you added 2
my dear
so which means you're not full
mina I'm stressed today
kahle skipani
I'm here to teach you something because wena vele uwena uyangicala uyangisukela injani ngithi mina namuhla ngiyakufakela emlilweni ngithi mina ngiyakhola into order
but it looks like mina ngimi lefanele ukuthi ngifake wena into order
kanjani man
yini lokubhalela ngaphansi kona ke what is this
ngibhalele nje kuma patterns yakhona
i-patterns
wena uyangisukela kahle
no angikusukeli mngani because uyakungondlela ngokwanga okay ngiyambona lo order but la ngaphasi yilo mlungu kanti belungu bakwathi kubhala nje into lefunwa
even nalethi yakho ngiyakukhola into order shame isijeke nayo hamba ngathi uhamba nje ngamoyeni namuhla shame ngaze ngikhola wena into order wena
ngani mina nabangasivele ngene wena i-hairstyle hamba beyibuza ngimkele into okhola wena into order ukwatelani
right naku ngiyangisukela
ngikusukela so ngakolisa mngani guys umlungu uzungikhola into order ngalowo mzuzu yena akekho kuleyo order leyo kanti ngento engivele mina sengistouthi ngaleyo ndlela ngafika la ngekhaya bengilunge asangabhali matric kusho lo mlungu utshela mina shuthi vele ngoba yena mlungu unayo matric so ngiyamukela lokunye nje abantu botitshela nje ukuthi ba-disable engqondweni njengalo mlungu lo lenginayo la lendlu le
ngibani i-disabled manje hayi wena
ukhona kanti ula ngixolisa sifuna umngani wami
namuhla tube broke isichwana namuhla
yemake xolisa mngani wami